Are you looking for the best portable cosmetic bags? Portable cosmetic bags are a staple for travel, daily carry, and organization. The right bag protects brushes, keeps cosmetics organized, and reduces leaks or spills while fitting a user's bag size and lifestyle. In this review, I tested 5 popular models across budget to premium segments, focusing on capacity, material quality, organizational features, durability, and everyday usability. Methodology included hands-on inspection of materials.
Product number 1 is Osheel Makeup Bag. Osheel offers a large capacity travel case featuring a dedicated brush compartment, flexible Velcro dividers, and a waterproof vegan leather exterior with a nylon lining. Its dimensions, 9.4 by 6.5 by 4.7 inches, target travelers who need to consolidate makeup, brushes, and small tools in one bag, while still fitting inside a suitcase or larger tote. The bag emphasizes protection for fragile items via separate brush space and adjustable internal sections, and it uses a two-way zipper for easy access. Price at $9.99 positions it as a value-oriented choice with thoughtful organization. Performance-wise, the combination of a dedicated brushes area and Velcro rearrangeable compartments supports varied kit configurations, from compact cosmetics to larger palettes. The waterproof vegan leather exterior aids in spill protection, while the nylon lining simplifies cleaning. Real-world use shows the bag excels for short trips or daily commutes, where a single pouch must carry essentials without overcrowding. However, users should assess the fit of their brush sizes. Tall or unusually shaped brushes may press against other items if the internal layout is densely configured. The carry handle adds convenience for grab-and-go moments.
Product number 2. Ichi Travel Makeup Pouch. Overview. Ichi presents a large-capacity, waterproofed cosmetic pouch designed to open flat for easy visibility and access. Marketed toward organized travelers, its design emphasizes capacity and a flat access experience, which is ideal when laying the bag open on a vanity or hotel counter. The price point at $23.99 places it near mid-premium, suggesting a focus on form and visibility as core differentiators alongside waterproof protection. Performance assessment indicates strong usability when you need to spread items across a broad main cavity and maintain quick access to essential products. The open flat concept reduces the need to rummage through multiple pockets. The trade-off is that without specific rigid compartments, smaller items can shift during travel, so users may need to pack strategically with pouches inside. The material reliability and waterproof claim help with spill containment, but the lack of a dedicated brush sleeve or rigid partitions may be a limitation for brush-heavy kits.
Product number 3. Checkered Makeup Bag. Weary Bee's premium field checkered makeup bag emphasizes a large main cavity with an adjustable partition and a gold zipper, built from waterproof PU leather. At 10.1 by 3.6 by 9.1 inches, it aims to maximize internal organization with a tall profile for vertical storage of brushes and tools, plus 4 brush slots. The packaging and finish lean toward a more premium, retro-inspired aesthetic, marketed as a gift-ready option with sophisticated styling. Performance-wise, the adjustable partition and dedicated brush slots facilitate structured packing for full makeup kits, including larger palettes and tools. The waterproof exterior and interior help with spill protection, while the high-quality finish makes it appealing for daily use or travel. The main trade-offs are size and weight. At 6 ounces, it remains light, but the tall height may be bulky in compact purses or organizers. The gold zipper contributes to an elevated look, but can be prone to scuffing with heavy use unless treated gently.
Product number 4. BagSmart Makeup Bag. Travel Overview. BagSmart offers a puffy, soft-touch makeup bag with a wide-open top and multiple pockets, including a PVC-lined inner pocket for brushes and a roomy main compartment. Priced at $9.99, it targets value-conscious buyers who still want a thoughtful organization system and a visually appealing design. Dimensions are 9 by 4.5 by 5.8 inches, and the interior includes 2 small pockets
plus a larger PVC-lined section for brushes or sponges. Performance-wise, the wide-opening design is a standout for quick access and visibility, which translates to faster makeup routines and easier reorganization on the go. The PVC-lined pocket is particularly practical for brush storage and spill containment, while the soft Taslin exterior adds a premium feel without a heavy price tag. However, the bag's overall structure is softer, which may limit protection for rigid items or fragile palettes, and could benefit from more robust edge support for stowing in tighter luggage.
Product number 5. Cytor 2 PCS Pocket Cosmetic. Overview. Cytor presents a budget-friendly 2-pack set, 2 checkered PU leather bags designed for purse storage and quick access, priced at $5.14. The no-zipper design and compact footprint, 7.28 by 0.2 by 5.71 inches, emphasize ease of one-handed access and portability. The dual-pack approach provides redundancy and flexibility, making it a practical choice for light everyday carry or as coin or purse organizers alongside cosmetics. Performance-wise, the absence of a zipper reduces friction and simplifies opening, which can be a benefit for users who prefer quick-draw access. However, the trade-off is reduced security and potentially less spill containment for liquid items. The checkered PU leather is durable enough for daily use and easy to wipe clean, but the minimalist design means it lacks internal dividers or specialized compartments for brushes, palettes, or larger items. The 7 to 8 inch length makes it ideal for small purses or as a secondary organizational pouch.